Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. For $100, I'm going to show you how you can make your BMW E90 335i that much louder by swapping on the X-pipe resonator from the E92, E93 cars. We're going to head over to CIA Performance. I'm going to cut out my stock muffler resonator. I'm going to weld this one in, and I'll give you a sound clip after I get back. All right guys, let's go ahead, head there now. Let's get this video started. Hey guys, good morning. So heading to CIA Performance right now, so that way they can put on the X-pipe resonator, which is from an E92 donor car. So like I mentioned, on the E90s we have that resonator muffler which drowns the sound even more versus the E92, E93 cars. So it's a common mod to, go ahead and cut out the stock one and then, weld in the new one. So heading there now and give you a sound clip here. All right guys, I'm heading back home actually from CIA Performance. All right, here's what the X-pipe actually on the car now. Still retains the stock hangers as you can see there. I wasn't able to get any step-by-step filming. This video is more so a quick little mod that you can do, take it to any exhaust or performance shop, so that way you can add it on your BMW E90. Of course, paired with the Dynan mufflers that I have, it's that perfect sound and it sounds awesome. It's a great upgrade for us E90 owners, just because we have the resonated muffler right there in the back. So you swap over to the E92 route, which gives you the resonated X-pipe, and like I said, it doesn't muffle the sound as much, so it's much louder. And overall, I'm very pleased. They took a couple hours to do it. Took the exhaust completely off, did it the right way, cut out the E90 resonator, welded in the E92 one. So all is well, and let's go ahead and give you a cold start right now. Guys, what that does today, adding the X-pipe on your BMW E90. Get rid of that muffler that BMW puts on, swap to the X-pipe that's on the E92, E93 cars. Get more sound out of your current setup. Now, I only have that's my only change with the Dynan mufflers. I still have my stock catted and stock secondary cats on the car setup. So of course, if I had downpipes and even maybe those removed, but regardless of say if I had my downpipes on, it would be much louder, but it's a great sound, a lot louder than I had before, which is, hey, a plus in my book. So that's really about it. So I'm going to be enjoying my 335i that much more. So big thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, check out those other videos I have out there. Thanks, and hopefully you have a great rest of your week. Take care.